Hello everyone, I'm Ryuji. In previous video, I painted my car's hood with plastic paint, and now I'm wondering, is plastic paint able to wash with washing machine or not? So today I'm gonna find out. Okay, wash my car. Okay, brush and pressurized water is coming. I can see what is going on. Okay. So far so good, I think. And finally blows all air. Oh, sorry. Blow all the water. It's done. Okay, now it seems didn't hurt anywhere. It looks fine. I thought the brush scratched the surface or the water cut and peel off the paint, but it didn't. It seems fine. Okay, that's it. So if you paint the car with plastic paint, and you can wash the car with washing machine, that is fine, but not sure if the whole car paint with plastic and maybe some part of the car peel off because of the how the brush touched the surface. I don't know, but the hood is fine. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.